So my vision going forward really isn't any different than what Dave and Joe's vision is. I mean, I've been very fortunate to grow up in this business and very fortunate to grow up around two great mentors. That's the beautiful thing, and that's the one thing that we want to make sure that everybody knows is Dickey Electric isn't going to change. It's still going to be Dickey Electric. We're still going to be a very customer service oriented business. We're still very concerned about our people, our electricians, our employees, and our customers. We're still going to be there to be able to service them the same way it is. And that was one thing that was very important to Dave, is making sure that we're able to carry on. We're blessed that we've spent 62 years in business now, and we want to spend another 62 plus years in business on that end of it. When I was 15, basically my father was finishing up as a foreman for a project for Dave that he and Dave basically spent a lot of blood, sweat, and tears on. We took over for another electrical contractor up at the WCI plant up in Warren. And at the end of the job, Dave's just like, hey, thank you for all your hard work. I know you spent a lot of hours away from your home and your family and all that. He said, I'd like to do something for you. He said, what can I do for you? He says, get my kid a job. He says, get him dirty. And he says, make him learn about the trade, but make him learn hard work on that end of it. So basically, my first job was cleaning out the previous job that my dad just had. So we just finished up that big project up at WCI, and I, along with a couple other guys from here, went up and was cleaning out the material shop and doing some of those. And basically, that was February of '92, and I've never left. So starting from working in the shop as a material handler, and then when I got my license, I'd be driving and delivering stuff. I'd spend summers here working. This was my summer vacation. When I was 18 and was going to school at Youngstown State for my electrical engineering degree, was right about the time when we had picked up the project for the Mahoning County Justice Center downtown. So David kind of thought, and we're like, well, we need a clerk. We need somebody to be able to help organize some of the paperwork, some of the different things in the trailer, because it was a big job. So after that job finished up, Dave basically made a home for me at the estimating department. When I finished my electrical engineering degree, I kind of brought the aspect of our design build department into it. So we were doing some design stuff and working with some of the local engineers, but taking that project from basically concept to delivery on that, which was something new that we had done. Probably the biggest thing is that Joe Dickey Electric's still going to be Joe Dickey Electric. I mean, I'm very proud of what Joe's built, what he started. I'm very proud of what Dave's continued on, and I'm very proud to be a part of it. I'm very proud to be able to get to carry this whole thing on again.